Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we will guide you through the simple process of depositing a check using the TD Bank mobile app. It's a convenient way to save a trip to the bank. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out to our latest content. Right, so one of the primary benefits of mobile check deposit is the convenience it will offer, right? Because you can deposit a check from anywhere, eliminating the need to visit a physical bank branch or an ATM, right? So it saves you time by eliminating the need to travel a bank, wait in line or use an ATM. You can deposit a check in just a few minutes, even outside of regular hours, right? Actually, matter of fact, you can deposit checks 24/7, making it easy to manage your finances when it's most convenient for you. You don't have to worry about keeping track of your paper checks. And once the it's deposited, the digital image of the check is already stored in your account. Now, in order for us to do that, you might want to go and open your mobile app on your device, all right? Then once we've done that, all right, step one is go here at the deposit page, right? You can see it in the upper right hand corner. And then your buttons may be different in order than in the sample image because it depends on the I suggest you have download the latest version of your TD Bank app, all right? And step two is register for mobile deposit, right? It's the button on the bottom of the screen right here. Okay, and scroll to read the TD mobile deposit terms and conditions and select the accept button right at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and then after that you'll see a message confirming your successful registration right here. Welcome to mobile deposit, and use your TD app to deposit checks securely whenever or wherever. And enter the deposit information, just select deposit check, all right, near the top of your screen. Remember, you can only deposit checks from Canadian financial institutions, right? And basically, CAD checks will require a Canadian dollar account and USD checks will require USD, right? And from the to account drop down, select the account you'll use to deposit the check. In the amount field, enter the dollar amount written on the check. Use the optional memo field below to add a personal message if you wanted, right? And then this is one of the most crucial part wherein you have to capture check images. In the capture check section, select the front button to take a picture of the front of your check. You have to do this, okay? It's really important. If this is your first time, review the tips for best results and select the OK button. And you may be prompted to allow the TD app to access your camera. Now, position the front of your check inside the white border on the screen and your device still. And here, write the following three things in pen on the back of your check. Review and finish. And once you've select the finish deposit, button at the bottom of the screen, you will receive a confirmation number for your records, right? And that's it. That's how you deposit a check in TD Bank. Very quick and easy. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.